You are watching Odi Did It, unboxing and tech reviews, and if you've been following me for a while, I'm a tech guy and also I love collecting shoes. And today we are going to talk about these shoes which are not yet out on the market, but we have it here. This is the YEEZY Boost 350 V2 ZYON. And we're going to talk about it more after this brief intro. And we are back and we have here the box of these shoes. And in front we have here the receipt, invoice, and we're going to talk about it in a minute. So let's check out the box first. It's a simple box. There's nothing special going on. And it was delivered to us via DHL. So we ordered these shoes from the GOAT. So I will drop down below their website in case you wanna grab your own pairs. So the price of these shoes is 1,703 reals with custom pay of 255, import VAT of 298, and the DHL fee of 30 real. A total of 2,286 Saudi Riyal, almost 620 US dollar. This box came from Hong Kong and delivered here in Saudi Arabia. So that's it, guys. Let's unbox. And before I forgot, guys, thank you to Mark Anthony Reyes. He's the one who hooked me up with this pair of sneakers. This dude is legit, guys. He has this YEEZY Boost 350, which is not out yet. Who does that? And now let's unbox these shoes. So guys, this is the box of the YEEZY Boost 350 V2 ZYON. So in front we have the 350. At the side we have the Boost. At the corners we have the YEEZY Boost 350 made by Adidas, and also the name ZYON and also the size. And the same goes on the other side. So let's open it up. Okay. Bam! This is the YEEZY Boost V2 350 ZYON. So let's take it off from the box. Also inside the box is we have the GOAT authentication and quality control with some paperwork in different languages. And also we have here a GOAT sticker. Guys, this is the YEEZY Boost ZYON, and the ZYON is a biblical word which means the mountain of the Lord, which is located in Israel. So the midsole is composed with white translucent rubber, and the bottom sole is bit yellowish, and it overlaps at the tip of the shoes and also at the back. The body or the upper part is made of prime knits, and also it has different combinations of colors. We have here dark brown, cream, and lastly we had green. So at the outer part of the shoes, we have here a dark brown stripe in front going to the back, and at the back it become faded. And in the inner side of the shoes, we have here a brown color which is more concentrated compared to the front and the back. And also the laces is colored green, so it will match the whole color of the shoes. And now let's move on to the upper part going inside the shoes. So at the top here we have the gray lip. And also inside is color cream. And as usual we have their YEEZY Adidas. Also at the back of the shoes, the insert, we have here the signature brand of the Adidas, which is the 3 stripes. So that's it, guys. If you want to grab one of these, I don't blame you. This shoes is beautiful. And also the colorway of the shoes can match any color of your jeans. And don't forget, guys, to size up. If your size is 10, grab the size 11. As I always reminding you guys, And lastly, these shoes will officially drop on 18th of July with the price of 220 USD in any store. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this unboxing, and please subscribe and hit that like and the bell button so you will be notified if we have a new upload. So this is Odi Did It, and see you guys on the next unboxing.